Here are my babies. These are our little puppies. If anyone is looking for a puppy, these are the ones. These are considered Doggy de Bordeaux. They're outside playing right now for a little while, but we have to put them in a cage because we can't let them run all over the place. But there's Mignon, there's Komatsu, that's Mara barking, that's Misty and Misty. That's our gang. Say hi, gang. Say hi. Say hi. Good girls. Good girls. Where's your little boy? Where you at, Komatsu? Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. There's Komatsu. He's sitting down. He lets the little girls act up. I'm going to send this off, and I'm going to put it on YouTube. Bye-bye.